This is a solution video for question 11, paper 2 of the TMUA 2020 exam. The question here is about this spiral which we've drawn here, and we're told that this pattern repeats indefinitely, so this is going to keep going around bigger and bigger, and then we're given a set of points and we want to think about which point is not included on the graph. So if we, for example, look at the first option where we have the y coordinate of the point being 100, so we're looking at a line that's very up here, that's very high up at 100, and we're asking whether the point 99 or 100 is on this curve. Well, if we're on y equals to 100, then it's going to look like a horizontal line like this, but just much higher, or a horizontal line like this, just much higher again. And if we look at, say, the line when we're at 4, then we're hitting all x values between 4 and minus 4. And the line for y is equal to 100 is going to be pretty much analogous to this one. So we're going to hit all values between minus 100 and 100. Now, if we look at the case where y is equal to minus 100, so we're looking at lines like this, then also analogously to this one, to the line where y equals minus 4, where we're hitting every value from minus 4 to 4, we're going to hit every value from minus 100 to 100. Now, if we look at the case where x is equal to 100, so we're looking at lines like this, but except at 100, so very far away there, analogously again to the line x equals 4, we're going to hit all the values between minus 4 and 4 again here, so we're going to hit all the values between minus 100 and 100 in the y coordinate. Now, if we look at the case where x is minus 100, so here, then we have to be a little bit more careful, because if we look, for example, at the case where x equals minus 2, we can see that we don't hit all the values of y. We skip out the value at 1 here. And similarly, if we look at the vertical line at x equals minus 4, we are skipping the point 3 here, because this point minus 4 is not actually included on the line. So similarly, if we go up to 100, then we're going to be skipping essentially the point at 99. So we're only going to be able to take the values from minus 100 to 98. So that means we are skipping the point minus 199. So that means our answer must be G.